Ever wished you could bring your coin designs to life with a touch of dazzling realism? Let's dive right in with a new document. Begin by creating a new file in Adobe Photoshop. You can set up a desired resolution next. Select the ellipse tool to draw a perfect circle by holding down the Shift key while dragging. With the circle in place, navigate to the Layers panel and right-click on the shape layer from the options. Select Convert to Smart Object. This is crucial for non-destructive editing. Now, let's add some depth. Head to the 3D menu. At the top, select New 3D Extrusion. From selected layer, you'll immediately see the coin take shape, turning into a 3D object. Now adjust the extrusion depth in the Properties panel to control how thick your coin is. Experiment with different values until you achieve the desired thickness. To the Properties panel, and add some shiny details. Select the diffuse then metallic settings. Up the metallic values to create shininess. Now, you can adjust the lighting to get the perfect highlight reflection. Now, time to add detail to it. You can load images like logos, text, or borders and apply it to the coin with its smart object. You can also adjust the shading and reflections in your Properties panel. The possibilities are endless. Experiment with different textures, colors, and lighting effects to make your coin design truly unique. And there you have it, a stunning 3D coin created entirely within Photoshop. Don't forget to save your work in multiple formats. Thanks for watching.